Welcome to the best secure truck yard in Augusta.
So come on over and see for yourself. Don't just take my word for it.
Can you share your story about how you first heard about the truck parking lot and what made you decide to park your truck here?
A couple of my truck friends that park here now is how I heard about it, and it was like, it's a clean environment, safety.
How does our truck parking lot stack up against other places you parked at before?
This truck's parking here is a whole lot better. A whole lot better.
Just like the location, everything flat, smooth.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I like the parking lot, everything about it, the access in and out.
Space. There's a lot of good space. Friendly. You guys that own it are real nice to us, real friendly. I think the price is reasonable, and that's why I like it.
Technology a whole lot better, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you. What was your impressions of the cleanliness and security at our yard when you first rolled in?
Real good. I like the simple fact that y'all have the electric gate that go around. That makes us feel safe as drivers, knowing that anybody can't just come in at any given time and mess with our stuff. I also like the simple fact that it's a lot of space to come in. I like the simple fact that y'all have the mechanic shop right there by it. I like the gravel that's on it, so when it rains, it don't just create puddles and holes and stuff like that. I like the upkeep of the yard, how you and your dad out here always grading the yard and stuff like that, and keeping the dust down.
Beautiful.
Beautiful?
I loved it. I loved it. First time I came on the yard, I loved it. It was the space, the room. I mean, everything is beautiful. I love it.
That, I was impressed by that. I couldn't believe there was no parts laying on the ground, no tires out here. Like, okay, this might be a place you can stay around, you know what I'm saying?
Southern Parker Truck is where your truck is more than just parked. It's at home.